In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Jira with Zapier, unlocking the potential to automate and connect your workflows with ease. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects thousands of apps, enabling you to streamline tasks and processes without breaking a sweat. And fortunately, linking Jira, a popular project management tool, is just as simple as connecting any of the other apps on Zapier's extensive list. So, let's dive in and get started on this integration journey. First things first, you'll want to open up your Zapier account. If you haven't already signed up for Zapier, you'll need to do that first. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll notice a tab called App Connections. This section is essentially the hub of all the applications you have already connected with Zapier. It's quite handy as it gives you an overview of your integrations, allowing you to manage them all from one convenient location. Now, up in the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Add Connection. Go ahead and click on it. This is the gateway to adding new apps to your Zapier suite. When you click this button, a search bar will appear. Type in Jira and voila! Zapier will show you the available Jira options. Since there are different types of Jira instances like Jira Software, Jira Service Management, etc., make sure to select the one that you need for your specific requirements. It's important to pick the correct version so that it matches your needs exactly, ensuring everything works smoothly without any hiccups. Once you've made your selection, the next step is to enter your login details for the Jira account you want to connect. At this point, a new window will pop up, guiding you through the login process. Just follow the prompts in this window. Keep in mind that these instructions might vary slightly depending on the app you are connecting, but they are generally straightforward. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Jira with Zapier. You can now start building Zaps that include Jira, enabling you to automate tasks, manage projects more effectively, and keep your team in the loop without manual data entry. This integration not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error, giving you peace of mind, knowing that your workflows are smarter and more efficient. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've connected Jira to Zapier, paving the way for enhanced productivity. Enjoy exploring all the automation possibilities that await you now.